This is Rob with Sunny Skies CBD. I work in the marketing department, and we just want to go over some tips today when it comes to doing your own label design, which is awesome. We fully support that. We just want to go over some things that'll just make your life easier. We recommend setting up your files in Adobe Illustrator if possible. It just gives you a nice vector file format, setting it up at 300 dpi using CMYK color space. That allows for scalability and a really clear print. We recommend leaving a 1" by 1/2" blank space rectangle somewhere on the label. This allows for us to place a sticker that includes the batch ID, the QR code that scans to that batch's COA, and the expiration date. This allows for longevity of your labels, and we apply them when you place an order. Another option is to have a QR code that links to the lab results page on your website if you choose. This does create an additional step for the customer to find that particular batch's COA, but we've seen it done successfully. In your document setup, we recommend having a bleed of 0.125 inches on all sides of the document. Also, a 0.0625 inset safe zone where no text runs into the edge of the document. This just ensures that when the label is printed, if there's any misalignments, things don't get cut off or cropped. We highly recommend, and in fact some states require, the following information to be included on your label. First, an FDA disclaimer. We've provided this in the description below. For non-edibles, use the term product facts or supplement facts instead of nutrition facts, as some states don't allow nutrition facts for non-food items. Be sure to include your company information, such as your business name, address, and website in the following format. We recommend distributed by. You may want to include a barcode, though be aware it must be large enough to scan. We generally recommend 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch wide and about a 1/2 inch tall. We can provide product-specific white label barcodes at your request. Be sure to include the type of CBD or CBG extract and the product type. For example, full spectrum CBD tincture, broad spectrum CBD tincture, or CBD freeze gel. Do not make any health claims. It's imperative that there aren't any health claims made. These products are not FDA approved, so just stay away from things like sleep aid, pain relief. Also provide directions for use, as shown in the example here. Show where the product was third-party lab tested. We recommend having the ingredients listed under the product facts as well, as some states require that format. Include the milligrams of CBD per serving size. For example, a 1500 milligram tincture is 50 milligrams in one full dropper. A 3000 milligram tincture is 100 milligrams in one full dropper. Also include the container size, such as 1 fluid ounce and 30 milliliters for the 1 ounce tinctures. A 2 ounce tincture, our 6000 milligram tinctures, is 60 milliliters, but the milligrams of CBD per serving are still 100 milligrams. Be sure to have the THC content listed as well, such as isolate and broad spectrum products showing 0.00% THC, and full spectrum products being lab tested at less than 0.3% THC, which is the federally legal limit. Some of the common label sizes we recommend are as follows. For our 1 ounce tincture, we recommend a 3.8 inches wide by 1.9 inch tall label. 1.8 inches works for height as well. For our 2 ounce tinctures of 6,000 milligrams, we recommend a 4 inches wide by 2 inches tall label. For a full listing of the recommended label sizes, we've provided a document below that you can download and check out. If you're providing your label files for us to print, please send them as individual PDFs for each SKU. Have the fonts outlined. This just ensures that when it gets to the press computers, there's no janky fonts happening and the layouts get skewed or screwed up. It'll make the process much smoother. We hope these tips help you when you're designing your CBD labels. If you're interested in checking out our private label design service or white label service options, we provided those links in the description below. And thanks for checking us out.